Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a beautiful bracelet. For this, we are using two colors of beads and a nylon thread. So to do this bracelet, first take one small bead, one big bead, 7 small beads. And one big bead. So if you see, we have taken one small bead, one big bead and 7 small beads and one big bead. So bring them all to the center and you are going to cross this small bead through this. It looks like this. Next, you will insert this through this big bead. Insert through these 4 small beads. Same way this side also you are going to insert it through this big bead and through these 4 small beads. So after inserting them, it looks like this. Next, so in this right side you take one big bead, 4 small bead. The left side, take one big bead and 3 small bead. You are going to cross it with this small bead which we inserted in the previous one. It looks like this. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this round by taking one big bead, 3 small bead in one side, the other side you are going to take one big bead and 4 small beads. You are going to cross this 4th bead by inserting the other side of the thread through that bead. It looks like this. So one side you'll be taking one big bead and 3 small bead, other side one big bead and 4 small beads, and you will cross the 4th bead till the required size you want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. To finish this bracelet, we have inserted in one side one big bead and 3 small bead. Same way the other side also one big bead and 3 small bead. We have not inserted 4 beads. We have just inserted 3 beads. We are not going to do a crossing method here. Instead, we will take one side of the thread and insert it in this first bead which we have done to close this bracelet. You will insert it, pull, and you can make a knot in this side. So it looks like this. So this is how the bracelet looks. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.